Hi guys! How is everyone today? I'm Kathleen Egan from the yoga space in Hilversum in the Netherlands, and here is your mindful moment for today. I want to talk to you about stormy days and rainbow days. Have you ever been in a mood that's made you so cranky and so miserable that you feel like there's a rain cloud floating above your head? Yeah, you have? I have too. Sometimes I clench my fists and my face gets all squishy. I'm going to teach you a way that we might be able to turn those cranky storm cloud days into nice, peaceful rainbow days. Would you like to do that with me? Okay. So can you find yourself into a comfortable seat? Maybe you can lie down on the ground and put your feet up. Maybe you can find a seat and sit up really tall in your seat. And just make sure that you can breathe clearly through your belly. So you make sure that you're not hunching over when you sit, but you sit up nice and tall if you're sitting up. Or if you're lying down, make sure you're not all squishy in the tummy, but there's some space here that you can breathe. Okay, and the invitation is to close your eyes or maybe have a gentle gaze towards the ground. And let's take some breaths together. Can we breathe in really deeply through our nose? And then let the air out your mouth like a sigh. Let's do it again. Breathe in through your nose. And let the air out like a sigh. One more time. Breathe in through your nose. And let the air out like a sigh. Now close your eyes, maybe, or have the gentle gaze and imagine that you're feeling really icky and really stormy. That your body, something's going on in your mind and your body and it's making you feel really stormy. And the clouds are coming over your mind, over your head. Now think of something that makes you really happy. So one of the happiest things that you can possibly think of. And bring that really happy thought into your mind. Yeah, that's it. And with that happy thought, allow it to dance across your mind, creating a rainbow. And as you think more clearly about your happy thought, you notice the rainbow starts to build up and become a little brighter. So it starts with red, and then yellow builds up, and orange, green, purple, and pink. And as you breathe, the rainbow becomes bigger and bigger, and your happy thought grows even more colorful with every breath you make. Can you grow your happy thought in your mind until it moves over your mind, down your neck, and into your shoulders, making your shoulders feel rainbow happy? Maybe your happy thought, your happy memory, or your rainbow grows into your tummy. Maybe it grows right down through your legs into your toes. And allow the rainbow colors to fill your whole body up. If it takes a little time to grow your rainbow, then that's okay. It's completely normal. Sometimes our rainy day thoughts take a lot longer to become rainbows. Sometimes it's shorter. Now let's take 3 big breaths together. Let's breathe in through our nose and let the air out of our mouth with a sigh. One more time, breathe in through your nose and let the air out with a sigh. One more, breathe in and sigh out. Now, if you haven't already opened your eyes, you can now. The light in me recognizes the light in all of you. Thank you very much for taking your mindful moment with me today. And just remember, sometimes when we have really stormy days, it's okay to have them. It's fine. It's completely cool in your body. It's allowed. But sometimes those beautiful rainy days turn into wonderful, wonderful rainbow days. And we can always grow our rainbows by thinking about them really, really deeply in our bellies and letting them grow and grow and grow. So I hope you practice your rainbow days. Have a really nice week, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.